Imagine this. You're building the next big app, and you need reliable servers, secure databases, and tools to scale at the click of a button. Sounds impossible, right? Not with AWS. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the kingpin of cloud computing, and it's reshaping how we build, deploy, and scale technology. Hey, I'm Alice with Cumulus Consulting, and in this video, I'll break down what AWS is, and we'll explore its 4 core services: compute, storage, databases, and networking. If you like these kinds of breakdown videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Let's get started. So what exactly is AWS? Well, it's Amazon's cloud computing platform, offering 200 fully featured services. Think of AWS as a one-stop shop for all your tech needs. Need a server? They got that. Want a database? Done. Looking for AI or machine learning tools? Covered. AWS provides the infrastructure you'd traditionally need to buy and maintain in your data center, but it's all in the cloud. You can run as much or as little as you need, making it flexible, cost-effective, and scalable. Here's a fun fact. AWS started in 2006 with just a few services and is now the largest cloud provider, with over 30% market share globally. First up, compute. Specifically, Amazon EC2, short for Elastic Cloud Compute. EC2 lets you rent virtual servers, called instances, to run your applications. It's like having your own server farm, but you only pay for what you use. Key features are scalability, scale up and down based on demand, variety, choose from different instance types, optimized for computing, memory, or storage, and cost efficiency. Use spot instances for big savings on non-critical tasks. An example use case, a streaming service uses EC2 to handle millions of viewers during live events by automatically scaling up the servers when demand spikes. Next, we have Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service. Think of S3 as your infinite storage locker in the cloud. What makes S3 special? Durability. Your data is stored across multiple facilities with 99.999999999% durability. That's 11 nines. Storage tiers. Save money by storing less access data in cheaper tiers like S3 Glacier. And security. Advanced encryption keeps your files safe. Example use case here, an e-commerce site uses S3 to store product images, videos, and customer invoices securely and at scale. The third core service is Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service. RDS lets you run databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQL Server in the cloud. Why use RDS? Ease of management. AWS handles backups, patching, and scaling. High availability. Built-in redundancy ensures your database is always accessible. And performance. Optimized speed, even with larger datasets. Example use case here, a financial app uses RDS to store transaction data securely and process queries at lightning speed. Finally, let's talk about networking, specifically Amazon VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. VPC lets you create an isolated section of the AWS cloud to launch resources securely. What makes VPC critical? It's customizable, define IP ranges, subnets, and route tables. Secure, uses security groups and network ACLs to control traffic. And connectivity, connect your on-premises data center to the cloud with VPNs or direct connect. Example use case here, a healthcare provider uses VPC to securely host patient data and ensure compliance with regulations like HIPAA. So why is AWS the go-to cloud provider for millions of businesses? Global outreach, AWS has data centers in over 30 regions worldwide. Innovation, constantly releasing new tools for AI, IoT, and more. And reliability, a proven track record of uptime and performance. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, AWS is powering some of the world's most exciting innovations. And that's AWS in a nutshell. From compute to storage, databases to networking, AWS offers the tools you need to build, scale, and innovate. Which AWS service are you most curious about? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and need help navigating AWS for your business? Book a free consultation at hey@cumulus.consulting.